known for 20 years, 10 years, and I didn't even hear any of you say, kamusta na kayo dyan? Napakasakit na sa akin. Sobrang sakit. So yun lang ang masasabi ko. Yes, I am very ready to share my story, to ask questions. Pero kung wala ho kayo dito, huwag niyong questionin yung mga nangyari sa mga nandito. Dahil nandito kami, kasama ng staff namin, Senate staff. You have your own story. I respect that.
My position is merely to give my suggestion for your consideration and for the consideration of our colleagues. I think this particular issue, once culminated, should be referred to the committee of the whole. The reason being, it is an auxiliary, extraordinary remedy necessary because of the issues of Senate, national security, the chamber itself is alerted, the institution is threatened. There are multiple